Hi students, welcome. In today's class, we are discussing about eccentricity method of hyperbola. So our last two videos we are completed eccentricity method of both ellipse and parabola. Similar procedure, okay. By using same method, you draw hyperbola also, okay. So here you know that eccentricity method, ellipse less than 1, parabola equal to 1 and hyperbola greater than 1. How to determine it is greater than 1 or not? So in this problem, let's go through the problem. Draw a curve. They not mention which curve you want to draw. Okay. So draw a curve. The distance between directrix and focus is 70 mm. The eccentricity is that is E value equal to 3 by 2. So you know that the eccentricity is 3 by 2. So it's not equal to 1. It is greater than 1. And also it's not less than 1. Clear? So 3 by 2. It is 1 point something. So it is greater than 1. So therefore, E is nothing but the value is greater than 1. Therefore, draw a curve means which curve you want to draw? Only one, hyperbola. So in same problem, name the curve also. So here they clearly mention name the curve means you mention, okay. So what is the name of the curve? Hyperbola. So the name of the curve is hyperbola. Why? How? So the eccentricity is E equal 3 by 2. It's greater than 1. Therefore, hence the name of the curve is hyperbola. That is your final statement. Clear? So now, how to draw a curve? By using eccentricity method. Similar procedure. First you draw one directrix. Eccentricity method means directrix. Next thing, directrix. Dark. So directrix. Next one is axis. And next thing. So this one is directrix D. It is axis. So the distance between directrix and focus is 70 mm. So from directrix to focus point is 70 mm. So this point is 70. The distance you mention it is 70. Clear? That's one. 70. Next, eccentricity is 3 by 2. So you know well, eccentricity is 3 by 2. It's nothing but in numerator the distance between vertex to focus divided by denominator vertex to directrix. Therefore, this from focus vertex point is 3 times equal parts. When compared to directrix, it is 2 equal parts. This side is 3 equal parts. Clear? So therefore, the d of distance, that is directrix to focus distance, you divided into 5 equal parts. 1, you know the procedure, divide a line method. From D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next thing, from last and last you join it. After that, you draw that parallel lines. So 1 equal part, 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts over. Next thing, in numerator from vertex, the vertex point from focus. Focus to vertex is 3 equal. So part 1, part 2, part 3. 3 equal parts. So here to here. Next, vertex to directrix is 2 equal. So first one is, so part 1, 2 part, 3 parts. Here 1, 2. So from directrix to vertex is 2 equal parts. From focus to vertex is 3 equal parts. So here you draw one vertical line. Clear? That's one. Clear? And next thing, So this point is vertex V, vertex point V. So V of distance is 3 equal parts and VD distance is 2 equal parts. Clear. Next, you know that the VF distance is equal to V to Y distance is equal to V Y dash distance. So the where is the Y and Y dash? You mark VF distance, intersect arc on that line passing through V and its parallel to directories in that line. You mark it, VF distance is equal to here. So this is Y dash. After that, you know the procedure. You draw a line from D passing through Y here. Clear? That's one. After that, same procedure from vertex V. You mark n number of equal points, equal distance. Okay. Your wish. And one more thing, the parabola and hyperbola having only one vertex, because the parabolic curve or hyperbolic curve, the curve is intersecting on the axis at only 1 point, but in ellipse means 2 points, therefore 2 vertex, but in hyperbola, parabola only 1 vertex. So from vertex V, you divide that line into n equal parts. So already some divisions is the same division, I continue. So part 1, part 2, because of time consumption, already 3 equal parts is there, so same distance I continue here also, like this. So it is too thin because it is a construction by 2H pencil, like this. Clear? So planning is important. In drawing subject, the planning is must. Okay. Next, you assign that number for our convenient. So from vertex, it is part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Similar case, it is 1, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5, 6. Similar case here also 1 dash, 2 dash, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Next, you know the same procedure. Radius. Next one is center. Next, intersecting line. Right? So for all the cases, the center point is focus only. Radius you consider as 1 to 1 dash as the radius. Take compass, 1 to 1 dash as the radius. F is the center. Intersect arc on that 1 dash line. Clear? So this is number 1, 1 to 1 dash as the radius. F is the center. Clear? So 1 to 1 dash as the radius. F is the center. Intersect arc on that same 1 dash line. Next, 2 to 2 dash as the radius, same F as the center, intersect arc on that 2 dash line. So next one is 2 to 2 dash as the radius, F as the center, intersect arc on that 2 dash line. Similar case, 3 to 3 dash as the radius, F as the center, intersect arc on that 3 dash. So like that. Okay, you mark it. So 3, 4, 5, like that. So finally you join all the points, that is called locus points, P1, P2, P3. So you join all the locus points including vertex P. Okay. So this one, it is hyperbola. Clear? So ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, by using eccentricity method is similar procedure. Okay, only this distance is varies, eccentricity values. Clear? That is all. Okay. Right. Next thing, the comparisons. After completion of this, just compare. See. So this is directrix, this is focus. Let us consider common focus for all three ellipse, parabola, hyperbolic curves. Okay. So this distance, so the vertex from focus is for ellipse is smaller than directrix to vertex point. Therefore your ellipse is like this. Let us consider directrix to focus distance is same for all the curve, but the vertex only is differ. So next one is parabola. So the DF, vertex to focus, sorry, directrix to focus distance divided by 2, that is then only we get V value. VF distance is equal to VD because eccentricity equal to 1. So your curve is like this. It is parabola. Next, another for ellipse, hyperbola, the VF distance is greater than VD distance. So your curve is like this. So this one is hyperbola, this one is parabola, and this one is ellipse. Okay. So for ellipse, E is less than 1, parabola E equal to 1, and hyperbola E is greater than 1. Clear? So this is the simple method how to draw an ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Clear? Okay students, in next class we discuss about how to draw a tangent and normal for parabola, hyperbola in single videos. Clear? Okay, thank you.